Hi, I'm Dr. Chandler Chang of Therapy Lab, and I'm here to give you some quick tips about finding a therapist. So you've taken this big kind of mental shift to get to the point where you want to ask for help and get some support for a mental health concern or problem you're having. Great. That's a huge step. It's a huge shift in your thinking, and I think it's a big step just to want to take care of yourself in that way. But it's really hard to find a therapist and to know what to do. First piece of advice: ask a friend. You know, that friend who just knows stuff and knows about mental health or talks a lot about their therapist. That's the person to ask. That person might give you the name of her or his therapist. When you call that person, know that that person is probably not going to want to work with you or be able to work with you because that's a conflict of interest. A therapist should not work with two people who are friends or close in any way, or even know each other in any way. But number two piece of advice is ask that therapist, say, I've heard you're a really great therapist. Who are your favorite colleagues? And that person should be able to provide you with 3 names in your area or in the place where you want to get therapy. Call them. And final piece of advice: if a therapist doesn't call you back or doesn't respond in any way with an offer, even if they're too busy just giving you some recommendations, that's really unfortunate. I don't like that. And you can put a big X over their name. They're just not interested to be helpful. I get it. Therapists are really busy, but I think being conscientious about our work means calling people back. So you should expect to get a nice, pleasant call back or email back or some way of communication because you're in distress and you are looking for help. Okay, thanks.